Right, we're back on the 951 again today to sort out this rack problem, which we have now sussed out.
Moving nice now.
So we have to take all four out. It's moving nice and free now. What we found, we took out number 4, thinking that might have been it, but we've this is the problem. It's absolutely solid.
Absolutely solid.
So that was the cause of the seizing up. Solid. Was actually number 2 cylinder barrel segment.
Oh, solid. Up. Oh, it's moving. I got to move it.
They're moving. Yeah.
Oops, it's gone.
Gone. Yeah, it's free. Yeah.
It was stuck. Look, it's gone now. It's
so
working now.
That's gonna be cleaned up.
Oh, he was doing. He was stuck up in. Whoop.
It's working.
It's working.
Yeah. Yeah. So that was enough to stop the rack from moving. We did take the governor off, but we couldn't find Allen key, so we had to go back onto the original plan and take all the segments out, inspect them and lubricate them.
Looking lovely now, look.
Yeah. And take these back home to clean them up, put some new seals in, and hopefully that'll be it. But it's the same problem as we had with the D2, that one at number 1 cylinder stuck, which was causing this problem. But we got number 2 on this one. I thought it might have been number 4, so that's why we took number 4 out after number 1. So it proved out to be number 2. So it's all nice and free now. So it's a matter of cleaning up all the parts and sorting things out. That's the tool. Yeah, thanks from Dave Winter at Cannock for fittings, and the boys at Llantryston Depot fittings lent me that one there, but I had one from Cannock supplied to take the caps out. These caps here.
Just fit.
Yeah.
It fits in like so, doesn't it?
It goes into there,
in there, screws it down in there like
that.
that.
Yeah, job done.
And that goes in.
Get the screw out.
In there.
Screw that out.
Screws on there. And
that pulls out. So
sort of extrude it out. It sits on there. Pulls out then.
Yeah.
Like that.
So it looks like it'll be a clean up job now, and I think what we'll do then is I got some O-rings, 30mm O-rings to put on the top, and some ones got them for the dusts. We put it back together and give it a try, but that was a fault.
We need a gasket now for this.
Yeah,
gasket.
Give them a gasket. Yeah.
Give them a gasket.
I'll get one of them.
And I don't know about the back.
Yeah, I've got that plate there. Yeah, you could get a pair of gaskets.
So I'm moving on Martin in there.
So look.
Yeah, move it.
Can't see it.
So look. Move over, jump over there, man.
Yeah. You can see there.
No, the rack is just, it is moving lovely now.
Yeah.
All the way through.
So yeah, once that cap's on it, I'll make it better, because that
There's
back
a bit
disc.
of shit in there we have to get out.
Yeah.
And that one there.
Yeah. What I'll do, that's the problem one. What I'll do, I'll bring an airline up next time.
We've got an airline next.
And we'll blow the bugger out. We'll give him a really good clean up.
It's really running smooth.
Yeah.
It's nice and smooth now.
Yeah.
And like you said, it was only that one, just the plunger was stuck up.
Yeah, the problem was caused by no caps put on the pump when it was robbed from bits.
You was aware there, innit?
Yeah, it's about
going into it.
13 to 15 years of open air caused this. And
you can see the one piston up.
Yeah.
This one.
Yeah.
And the other one, this one,
yeah, she's on injection number 3. No, number 2
That one's
rather.
down, that one's down, and this one's up, and that one's up.
Yeah. So it's a matter of giving everything a bloody good clean up now, and back together and give it another try. But at least that freed up. When I took number 2 off, I thought, bloody hell, this is really, really tight.
It's really lovely now. Nice. Springing lovely. It's lovely, Alice.
Yeah, so that's it for today. A bit of a wrap this up and clean the bits and have another bash another day when all the parts are cleaned up. So till next time.